Hi. If you don't lead yourself, someone else will lead you. And if you don't write your own story, others will write it for you. And how much are they interested in you? Not very. And this brings me to a topic called emotional intelligence. I'm happy and excited that we are conducting this workshop on emotional intelligence on 16th February at Mimansa, Koramangala. So what is emotional intelligence? In simple terms, it talks about self-awareness, self-management, social awareness and social management. And in this workshop, we are largely going to touch on self-awareness and self-management. What we'll do is we will help you uncover your strengths, your weaknesses. We would learn how to overcome the weaknesses. We would uncover the opportunities that your strength and the weaknesses would offer. It would help you choose the right career path going forward. It will open up many avenues to think forward, to choose from. Doesn't matter which profession you come from. You may be a job seeker, you may be a homemaker, you probably stuck in your career. Guys, this is going to really help you to declutter yourself. It will help you to motivate yourself. It will help you understand your blind spots, your hidden spots. It will help you to uncover your potential. Lot of learning to happen in this workshop. And what's interesting is the learning is going to be very unconventional. You are going to learn through medium of games, music and theater. You will have a lot of fun and then eventually will deliver the learning. It's not about making opinions. It's not about making judgments. The learnings are going to remain with you. You will ensure that these are the self realizations and will ensure that there would not even a single embarrassing moment for any participant. I look forward to see you for this workshop 16th February on Saturday at Mimansa starting 9:30. See you soon. Bye bye.